So students, exercise 5.1 আকৌ আহিছো 5.1 তো বহুত দীঘল এক্সাৰসাইজ বহুত কোৱেশ্চন আছে আৰু অলপ নতুন চেপ্টাৰ এটো নয়া হে কন্টিনিউটি মই কিছুমান কোৱেশ্চন সলভ কৰি দি আছো তোমালোকক এটা এক্সাৰসাইজ 5.1 ত আমি এটা কোৱেশ্চন সলভ কৰিম কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 23 find all points of discontinuity of the function f of x equal to sin x by x if x is less than 0 x plus 1 if x greater than equal to 0 গতিকে sin x by x if x less than 0 x plus 1 if x greater than equal to 0 ইয়াত মই তো ফার্স্ট এটা ৰিজাল্ট লিখিলো limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equal to 1 এটো ৰিজাল্ট আমি ক্লাস 11 ত পাই আহিছো limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equal to 1 এতিয়া এই কোৱেশ্চনটোত sin x by x আছে আমি ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব হে ফার্স্ট যেটো আমি ৰিজাল্ট পাইছিলো আমি ফার্স্ট এটা কন্টিনিউটি বা ডিসকন্টিনিউটি পয়েন্ট চাবলে ফার্স্ট ফাংশনটো ব্রেকিং পয়েন্ট ফাংশনটো নাম্বার লাইনডালত কোড ব্রেক কৰিছে যত x equal to যত x equal হ'ব x equal দিয়া আছে x is equal to 0 x equal to যত হ'ব হেতুকে কোৱা হয় ব্রেকিং পয়েন্ট x equal to 0 therefore 0 is the breaking point this is called breaking point so we have to check the continuity at the breaking point then the value less than the breaking point and the value of x greater than this breaking point tinta results sabo laibo we have to check the continuity in three parts first one is at the breaking point second one less than the breaking point and greater than the value of this breaking point now first at the breaking point আমি চেক কৰো at x equal to 0 point breaking point at x equal to 0 left hand limit breaking point at x equal to 0 left hand limit x tends to 0 minus f of x equal to limit x tends to 0 minus left hand limit that is x tends to 0 from left hand side that is x is strictly less than 0 if x is strictly less than 0 then f of x equal to sin x by x this is equal to sin x by x now from this result if x tends to 0 either from left or either from right sin x by x equal to 0 here x tends to 0 from left or from right left opera hok ba right opera hok if x tends to 0 then sin x by x equal to 1 therefore if x tends to 0 from left hand side or from right hand side sin x by x equal to 1 this is the value of left hand limit now right hand limit x tends to 0 plus f of x that is x approaches to 0 from this right hand side that is x is strictly greater than 0 if x is strictly greater than 0 then f of x equal to x plus 1 then f of x equal to x plus 1 that is x tends to 0 means 0 plus 1 that is 1 left hand limit palu right hand limit palu and function of value to at 0 point at 0 point if x equal to 0 then f of x equal to x plus 1 if x equal to 0 then f of x equal to x plus 1 f of 0 equal to 0 plus 1 that is f of 0 equal to 0 plus 1 this equal to 1 আমি কি দেখিলো we have seen that left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to function of value that is since left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of 0. Therefore, the function is continuous at x equal to 0 point. So at x equal to 0 point, আমি function to continuous check কৰিলো. Now, আমি check কৰিব লাগিব less than x, less than 0, আৰু right greater than 0. Less than 0 and greater than 0 যিবিলাক value আছে, real number আছে, তাহাঁতত continuous হয় নে নহয়. Now, for x, now 4. It আমাৰ complete হৈ গ'ল 0 পইণ্টত আমি চেক কৰিলো 0 পইণ্টত the function is continuous. Now for x less than 0 যিবিলাক ভ্যালু এটো 0 পইণ্ট এইখিনি এইবিলাক যিবিলাক x ৰ ভ্যালু আছে the value of x less than 0. For x less than 0 the function is continuous হয় নে নহয়. Then for x less than 0 x less than 0 যদি হয় তাত যিমান বিলাক x ৰ ভ্যালু থাকিব বা x greater than 0 যিমান ভ্যালু থাকিব সদায় কন্টিনিউয়াস হয় মই আগতে কৈ দিছো ব্ৰেকিং পইণ্ট আমি চেক কৰিম কন্টিনিউয়াস আইদাৰ কন্টিনিউয়াস হ'ব পাৰে বা নহবও পাৰে কিন্তু ব্ৰেকিং পইণ্টৰ লেফটত বা ৰাইটত যিবিলাক ৰিজাল্ট থাকিব যিবিলাক ৰিয়েল নম্বৰ থাকিব তাত সদায় আমি কন্টিনিউয়াস পাই যাম for ইয়াত আমি for x less than 0 for x less than 0 then f of x equal to for x less than 0 then f of x equal to sin x by x sin x by x x less than 0 functionৰ ভ্যালুটো আমি পালো this is 0 this value is less than 0. Now for x less than 0 then f of x equal to sin x by x. Can we say this function sin x by x is a continuous function? আমি sin x by x to continuous ক'ব পাৰিম. In the last class মই তোমালোকক algebra of continuous function or কিছুমান result লিখাই দিছিলো. If two functions are continuous, then their sum, then their difference, then their product, then their quotient is also continuous. গতিকে যদি ফাংশন দুটা যদি কন্টিনিউয়াস হয় তাহাঁতৰ sum, difference, product, divide সব কন্টিনিউয়াসে হ'ব ইয়াত এটা ফাংশন আছে নিউমাৰেটৰ sin x ডিনমিনেটৰ x sin x is a trigonometric function. Last class we discussed that sin x by cos x by cosec x trigonometric function is continuous in its domain. Now sin x is a trigonometric function. Therefore, it is continuous. It is continuous function. Gorilla continuous function হৈ গ'ল sin x. Denominator যেটো আছে denominator is x. And x is a polynomial function. X sin x is a trigonometric, x is a polynomial. Sin x is a trigonometric and x is a polynomial function. Sin x is a trigonometric and x is a polynomial function. And x is a polynomial, therefore, polynomial function is also continuous. Therefore, x is continuous. That is sin x is a trigonometric function and x is a polynomial function. Both are continuous. Sin x is trigonometric, therefore it is continuous. X is polynomial, therefore it is continuous. Therefore, this polynomial, and x is a polynomial function, therefore it is x is a polynomial function, therefore it is continuous. Therefore it is continuous. Now sin x is continuous, x is continuous. We know if two functions are continuous, then two functions are continuous, then their quotient is also continuous. Two functions যদি continuous হয় তাহাঁতৰ ডিভাইড হৈ থাকিলেও সেইটো ফাংচন continuous হ'ব. That is f of x is a continuous function. গতিকে f of x এটা continuous function হৈ গ'ল কাৰ কাৰণে? For all x less than 0. The value of x less than 0, for all x less than 0, the function f of x is continuous function for all x less than 0. X equal to 0 continuous. For all x less than 0, this is continuous. Now we have to check the another part হৈ গ'ল x is greater than 0. This is the 0 breaking point. The value of x greater than 0 continuous হয় নে নহয় আমি চেক কৰিব লাগে. লাষ্ট অপশ্যনটো হৈ গ'ল for x greater than 0. For x greater than 0, then what is f of x? If x greater than 0, then f of x is x plus 1. This equal to x plus 1. So x plus 1, which is a polynomial function. X plus 1 is a polynomial function. F of x equal to x plus 1 is a polynomial function. Therefore, it is continuous. Therefore, it is continuous. যদি আমি চোৱা কিছুমান ৰিজাল্ট আমাক লাগিব. The polynomial function is continuous. The constant function is continuous. The trigonometry function is continuous. Modulus function continuous. এইবিলাক ৰিজাল্ট আমাৰ মনত থাকিব লাগিব. তেতিয়া আমি কন্টিনিউটি কুৱেশ্যন কিছুমান কৰিবলৈ সুবিধা হয়, ইজি হৈ যায়. For x greater than 0, then f of x is x plus 1, which is a polynomial function. Therefore, it is continuous. That is x greater than 0, that is it is continuous for all x greater than 0. For all x greater than 0 continuous. For all x less than 0 continuous, and also আমি চেক কৰিলোঁ at x equal to 0 continuous. Therefore, last conclusion, therefore there is no point of discontinuity. তার আমি কোনো discontinuity point নাপালোঁ কাৰণ find all points of discontinuity আমাক ওলাব দিছিল কিন্তু আমি তাত কোনো point discontinuity নাপালোঁ. Okay students, next আৰু দুটা সাম কৰিলে continuity শেষ হ'ব আৰু দুটা সাম কৰি লওঁ. Okay.